nothing now. I'm gonna go to my gate number and just sit and wait. Have some snack. So these are some Thai spring rolls. These are vegan flavor. They're very crispy. Oh, so crispy. I can't even hold it with chopsticks. I'm just gonna use my hands. This is my gate right here, D8. Let's see the view we have. Also, we bought downstairs. This is actually it's a very nice weather today. These couple of days was raining a lot. Inaugural flight certificate. First flight Delta Airlines from Taipei to Seattle. Flight number DL0687 of June 2024. That's nice. Hope we have a wonderful flight. Let's see how it goes. First flight out of Taipei to Seattle, so it's something special. This is a free 1 gigabyte eSIM card that Delta gave us as a gift, which is quite cool. Alright, who says no to internet? What else is this? Like a magnet. Oops, where are you going? They had a gift, a pineapple cake, which is one of my favorite. Oh, they're open downstairs. We're gonna go downstairs. Seems like they have a lot going on down there.
To the right. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to Delta Airlines.
So today is actually the inaugural flight from Taipei to Seattle for Delta. I'm actually very excited flying back home to surprise my mom for her birthday. She doesn't know I'm coming home. Well, initially I told her I'm coming home for the 15th. But I'm popping up like a week earlier than I was supposed to be, so she's definitely gonna be in shock when I pop up just like that, like a week earlier and stuff like that. So I've seen her like over 2 years now. Have some fun, some family time and everything like that. 11 hours later, I have arrived Seattle. Gonna take my next connecting flight now to New York. So that's gonna be another 5 hours flight to New York, and then another 4 hours and a few minutes flight to Montego Bay. So that will sum up the trip. It's a long one, but it's going smooth so far. Just praying for the best, praying for the rest. Going home to surprise my mom for her birthday. So let's see how that works out. It's a beautiful day now. The weather is very good. Very sunny. One funny thing though, I actually lived the same time in one day, because when I was in Taiwan yesterday, when I reached the airport it was like after 1. And when I arrived in Seattle, it's after 1 again. So I relived the same time in one day twice. It's so funny, right? Or the world set up. Because now it's like Saturday morning in Taiwan. And today's Friday in Seattle. And when I was leaving Taiwan, it was Friday. Right? Traveling back in time, back to Friday. So funny. Seattle, I have cleared the customs, so now I'm heading to my gate. My gate should be probably like gate A6 or something. Should Should be A6, I think. I saw on the monitor. No. What am I even thinking? It's Edmonton. Oh, it should be gate 9. Yeah. New York. So, heading to New York for my connecting flight. Next flight now. From Seattle to New York. This is gonna be like 5 hours and a little, I think. Seems like it's a very full flight. Oh, it's exactly 1:17 a.m. I have arrived in New York, so I'm waiting for the service, which probably is going to take a little while. Let's see how that goes. And within the next 5 to 6 hours, I need to catch another flight out of here again. But first, I need to make one check. Link up with my bros for a minute. Off we go again. Going home in a while. A moment like these you have to cherish. One good thing is, on my way, I was able to stop and see my friend, my cousin's birthday, so that's a good thing. We're at the last flight from JFK to Montego Bay. This is the last 4 hours, so I reach Montego Bay, grab some stuff, some cake and stuff like that. So just stay tuned to see how it goes. Finally in Jamaica. It was about 6 a.m. in Jamaica in the morning. I have the cake in the car. I'm just gonna drive up to her house, surprise her, because I was on the road yesterday. I don't want anyone to probably see me and burst the bubble. In order to avoid that, I'm just gonna be going there early. Reach the house. I don't know if she heard the car or something. I drove. I have the cake in my hand. Let's see. Jake? I don't see no one. Faith? Can you sell me something, please? Can I sell you something? Stand to the side. See what happens. Wish I had some. I don't have any internet, so I cannot call anyone to share the moment with them. He's coming. Happy birthday!
original. Dami. Original. Tuwag ka naman?
Yeah, tunay ka.
Yes. Nami is the blue.
Sun is rising. Sunday morning. It's today 15. It's dinner can work. Today you make it better. Here's your birthday cake. Happy birthday now. I hope you live to see many more. Lots of love and happiness. There's no place like home, right? Bring back a lot of memories and things. We're gonna do the right thing, yeah? Make this day special for mommy. Trying to get some meat and stuff for my mom's birthday dinner. The thing is, I had yesterday to purchase, but it was so much rain. Trying to get this early in the morning as possible and figure it out. So by the evening, everything's gonna be marinated and cooked and stuff like that. Probably just roughly about almost 8 now, so it should be fine. I have enough time to do it. So maybe get some mutton, some pork, some chicken, you know. And I'm probably gonna get a gas as well, because I know on Sunday gas always try to run out on that day. For some reason I don't know why, but it's a thing on Sunday morning. The gas always try to finish. I'm not sure how much gas is inside, but it's probably gonna be finished.
Father God, maybe take us from this meal this afternoon, maybe feed, maybe bless.
Work. Curry chicken, curry mutton, rice and peas, soup, and this is what? Fried chicken. Plantain, fried chicken, coleslaw. That's it. First meal in Jamaica I cooked.